Hello everybody, welcome back to another Sizzle Pop episode. Today we will be playing Bloons Super Monkey 2. Yes, you heard it right, gosh, excuse me with my hiccups, but for this video, but yes, we are playing Bloons Super Monkey 2. So, let's get started. Let's go. Turn up the volume a bit. Why don't we? I'm already getting pumped up. I played Bloons Super Monkey 1, or just Bloons Super Monkey before. What? This can't be. The balloon meter is displaying extremely high levels of balloon activity in the air. Yeah, blah blah blah. Okay, Monkey Lane. Let's do this. Okay. I got it. Okay. Let's go. Yes. Already the best game. Be nice. Look at the graphics on this. That's a little bit amazing. No. Ain't nothing get past me. I will not let anything. No, I let a balloon escape. That's not good. Give me all these. Oh, no. I'm missing them. Oh, my. That's a golden balloon. Attack it. Attack it at once. Yes. Get it. Woo! I got something. Bronze medal. Let's go. Get back here. Oh, my. Wizard. Oh, my. Oh, my. This is pretty insane. Silver. Give me all these. Yes. I'm a god. Basically, I am somewhat of a god. It's like Superman as a monkey in a way. Yes. We got silver. Okay, blah 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 blah. Yes. Super shots. Okay. And block magnets. So those are blocks. What I have been collecting. Excellent. Let's do this. It is loading. Look, there's a tack shooter. It seems that this right here is grabbing my attention. I wonder why. So, what am I doing? Wait. Okay. So, add third weapon to your arsenal. Okay. Darts or rings? Rings? Yes, please. Yes. I look nice. Ugh, I don't have enough. Okay. I'm looking good. But we're not done yet. We still have to go to level 2 and so on. So this is going to actually probably be a new series. I don't know if I'll actually make this a series or not. I may just play this on my own. I may play some on my own and not like have it on video because some of this stuff may be a little bit boring. Okay, I got rings. Yes, give me all them blobs. Delicious, yummy blobs. Oh God, what is wrong with me? No, give me those. Give me that. Okay. No, how did I even, oh my. Catch me. Okay, vaporized balloons, got that. Come on. This has to be the OP spot. No. Okay. We're just wrecking all these. Oh, green balloons. Right here would be a nice spot. Okay, got it. Okay. Okay, weaken balloons. What does that have to do? Oh, does that just like pop a whole entire layer of balloons to every single balloon on screen? Give me this. Give me that. No, give me this. Get back here, you stupid gold balloon. Back. No. Trying to get over here. Ugh. Okay. I'm hitting it. Oh my god. Oh my. Mortar strike. Oh my. Look, this is insane. Look at this thing. Wow. Is it over? Oh my. I want to get the green thing. That looks like it has lots of pops for it. What are these things? Like dragonflies or something? The world may never know. I think we're done. Yep, we're done. Okay, let's see what we got in our chest. We got Turbo Boost and Red Hot Aura. Wow. Okay. Let's go to the lab. The lab. Okay. Let's change this up. Okay. We can get literally all rings. Gas limited shooters and shoot much faster. Very interesting. Multi-target. Increase pierce. Razor edge rangas. Pop more balloons. I'll go with this. What? Oh wow. Look at that thing. He literally has a machine gun. It's looking nice. Okay. So now that that's settled, can we pop that? Oh my god. A minute. See if we get over here. Oh, yes, I have enough. I have enough to upgrade it. Yes. Just fine. Now he has that. This monkey's looking sick. I'm loving it. What about you? Tapping random things, see if they do anything. So, let's go to level 3. Let's test out these new upgrades, see how well they do for us. I want to use this. Let's use the Turbo Boost. Oh, wow. Look at my monkey! Oh my! Look how fast he's shooting! No, stop doing this. Okay. Anything that really... Oh my god! This is too OP when you get upgrades. Surely, like way too OP. But I'm getting so many blops. Can't stop this. Oh no, the bomber's going away. No, give me this. Yes. 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 Yeah. Okay. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Blop doubler. You know I could have probably. Oh my. Oh my. Okay, get rid of all those. Okay. Oh, I didn't even notice. Wow. Silver! Yes. Okay, we're getting white and black balloons right now. Fine. Okay. I'm seeing all these down here. Pink balloons! Woo! Oh my, oh my. No! I missed it! Somehow, scientifically, I missed it. Okay, question mark. That's it? Yeah, that's it. I don't know if it was the upgrade or the little thing that I had that was affecting my speed, summer speed. These two. I got sunglasses. The wavy red hot energy slowly damages all balloons over time. Wow. That's cool. Interesting at the same time. Let's go to the station. Let's go to the station. No, it's the station. The lab or whatever it's called. I've been working on technology. What? What? No way. Energy. Energy? What? No. No. Oh my god. Really? I'm so saving up for the energy. I just gotta get a few more blocks and I'll be good. I got some achievements. Those out. Collect. 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 Wow. So many blocks. Oh my god. Look at all the blocks. We can sell afford energy now. Energy. Oh my god. Oh my god. What? No way. Magic bombs. Magic bombs. Magic bombs. Pulse whip. Double shot. Pulse whip. Close range, high damage, can't pop glass. What? Pulse whip. All I know is that I got energy. Okay. Let's do number 4. Test all this out. But in order to see that, you'll have to see the next video. And if you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and tap the notification bell. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!